might say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind.
Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm going to be doing a what's on my phone video. I'm heading inside really soon. I'm walking my dogs right now. Not important, but get comfy, get your snacks, get your TV set up, get your volume ready, get your blanket, rub them feet together, because I'm about to start. See y'all in a little bit.
Hi, y'all.
We finishing finals. It's the best.
Yeah, I still have some more work to do, so a little stressed out, but it's okay.
Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a what's on my phone. Are y'all excited? We just gonna hop right into it because, you know, short attention spans. I don't want to take up too much of y'all time. So, yeah. So, oh, look at my parents. I love that for me. Okay, so let's just start. Like, give y'all a tour. So pretty much, not too much on my lock screen. I don't really like to do too much with it, so that's what it was. I changed it a few times because it was something else, but I got rid of that. So I don't even know where to start. So we're just gonna go like through my apps like per page. So first up we got photos. I'm not really gonna go through my photos. I'll go to my favorites and maybe show y'all a few of those. This is the camera I'm actually recording on right now. Yeah. Ooh. This was my Halloween costume. This was me in New York. That was insane. Yeah. Okay. Next up, yeah, these are all like the regular Google apps. This game, this is so funny. This lady on TikTok posted that her dad like made a game and nobody was like playing it, so I downloaded it. This, I was trying to send messages on Thanksgiving, so I was like, let me get this little app so I can just do them all at one time. Not too much. Twitch, I don't really use. I watch Kai on that. I don't know if none of y'all watch Kai, but yeah, watch him. He's funny. If you don't know who he is, you can look him up on YouTube and find some of his stuff. YouTube, speaking of which, here's some of the stuff I be watching. Well, I ain't gonna say I be watching it. I don't know where this is random stuff. Most of this I probably would never even click on. Let's see how my short did. I just 3 views. That's crazy. Okay. Dominoes, I'm big, not too much. This is actually for my camera. It's like an app you can download. I thought that was cool, so. Yeah, okay. Now we get into the juicy stuff. A lot of my stuff is offloaded because my storage be running low, only because of my pictures. Like, I have so many pictures. I use Google Photos, excuse me. I use Google Photos now, so that makes it a little bit easier. This is my Instagram. Some of my DMs. Okay, literally. It's not letting me like y'all. There you go. I don't know what to say. Yeah, my Instagram pretty boring. These are some of the pages I have on my Instagram. Yeah, not too much going on there. My email, again, not too much going on. Cash App. Oh wait, I can't show y'all that. Never mind. Etsy. I do have an Etsy shop for those of you who don't know. Here's some of my stats. I sell content creation templates. I don't know why it took me so long to find a thing. Content creation templates. These are what some of them look like. So that's pretty cool. Chat GPT. Y'all can't even. Me and Chat GPT go together real bad. Okay, these are some of my games, I guess. This is a whole lot. TikTok. I would open TikTok, but I feel like it's gonna make everything load a little slow, so I'm gonna just keep my TikTok closed. We can go to Twitter, I guess. Again, not too much going on, if it even loads. I love Twitter. It's very funny, got a lot of stuff going on. This app, this is only for school. I use this for National Association of Black Accountants. I'm the social media manager or chair for my chapter. Okay, Canvas. I got one B right, not too much. She's supposed to be putting in grades. Facebook. Again, like, it's really not too much going on some of these. Like, it really just be that. Messenger. I mostly just talk to my parents on here. Okay, this is one of my favorite apps, y'all. This is LinkedIn. I love LinkedIn with my whole heart. Like, this is probably one of my favorite social medias. I love it here. It'd be so much stuff on here, like so many opportunities, and all you really gotta do is look for it. So if you want, here's my LinkedIn. Get connect with me. Love that app. I don't even use Life 360 no more, to be honest. Yeah, I barely use that app. These are some of my games. This one is my favorite one. If you looking for a gameplay, like, and you bored or whatever, this is the game. I'm not gonna lie. I love, like, this game keeps me so occupied. If it'll load. Yeah, this game is literally like, I love this game. But yeah, that's a good game if you want to find a game to play. Again, Taco Bell. I'm not big on food, but like, I'm big on discounts. So I get all the apps so I can make sure I got me a little deal or whatever if I'm getting food from there. Chick-fil-A, again, like, if I'm ordering from someplace, I'm gonna try to get it as cheap as possible. Now, Snapchat, this is an interesting one because I don't really use Snapchat no more, like, at all, really. I do got a lot of my memories on there, so that's low-key why I do keep it, but I barely use that app. Like, you will never catch me posting on there, really. And yeah, this is CapCut, y'all. So if you're like an aspiring content creator or just a regular content, like anything you got going on, CapCut is 100% like my recommendation for editing. They make everything a lot more simpler and easier, and it's just more like user friendly than a lot of the other editing apps, in my opinion. But yeah, I do a lot on here. Like, this is probably, if you go to like my hours on my phone, this is probably one of the biggest ones. Okay, and now we got Fizz. Now Fizz, let me tell you something about Fizz. Okay, so this app, see, I already opened the app and they already talking about like. So this app started off as like, it's like Twitter, but you have to log in with your school email to get on it. So once you log in with your school email, you can like talk to anybody from your school, but it's all anonymous. So this was like, this side right here was the regular side before, but they just opened it up now so that every single HBCU is in the same like group thing. So literally, like, Fort Valley State, North Carolina Central, like, all of them are in the same thing. And it's low-key already, see, there we go, Domino's being messy. It's already like, it was already crazy enough, but now you got all the I'm gonna have to blur some of this out. What is y'all, I can't even scroll on here because they just talking. But it's like, I can't even get into how much, oh my god, the people, it's crazy, but it's very entertaining, I will say that. Again, talk about entertainment, Zeus Network. If you don't got Zeus, baby, get you some Zeus. Get on Zeus. Zeus is that. They got all types of, I could talk about that all day. If you're looking for something to watch, Baddies, I highly recommend. Very, very messy, very crazy, very entertaining. Yeah, let's keep it pushing. So I got Amazon, and we can look through Amazon, I guess. It ain't really too much on here, but like my orders and stuff. I'm shopping for more camera stuff, and you know, if I can find my orders. Not that y'all in my business, but some of the stuff I be ordering. And okay, so YouTube Studio. I actually offloaded on my phone. This is some of my, like, the stuff that it'll show you, some of my analytics. Yeah, it's pretty, like, insightful, I feel like. Yeah, I probably could show y'all Instagram's analytics too, because those are, they do a great job of doing it. And then Canva, this is also one of my most used and favorite apps. I might be in the wrong. I know I'm in the right one. So these are some of my creations. I do a lot on Canva. I use Canva a lot. So we could go through that all day, but anyways. So these are some more apps. I'm not gonna open my 23andMe. It's like my DNA and stuff. I don't think that's really, nobody's interested in that. Reddit, I'm just not gonna open Reddit. I don't know what's gonna pop up. Anything can pop up on Reddit. Frameo, this is like, I have one of the, this is what did y'all see that? Next, I'm gonna have to blur that. Cause what? Yeah, this is one of those, if you have like a frame, like a digital frame in your house, the one I have, this is the app that you use to upload the pictures and stuff on it. So that's pretty cool. This is for laundry at my university. Oh, well, I guess I can't wash no more clothes or whatever. But they used to get, let's talk about that. They used to give us almost $200, or maybe $150, and they went down to $23 or $24. Like, who's washing clothes with $23? Please. Like, what? I thought that was the stupidest thing ever, but hey. I don't know why I could move these apps over here, but I don't think I used this one. I don't know what I used to have my portfolio on there, but I don't really like it no more. Slack, I used to use this for my internship, but now I use it for the Yard Ambassador stuff. Oh, that's all my apps? Dang. Okay, well, I'll show y'all some. Well, I don't think I can show y'all these because some people numbers ain't saved and I don't want their stuff all on the internet. All on the schminternet. Oh, I didn't even talk about this. This is my, I don't want to say stock market app, but you could think about it like that. I might do a video on that whole thing later, but highly recommend getting into stocks. I could post a list of ETFs that you guys could invest in if you wanted to, but that'll be a separate video. But if anybody got any questions about that, please not DM me, but please comment down below and let me know, because I would love to talk about that. I don't think I missed anything. Did I? Yeah, I don't think I missed nothing. So yeah, I can go through my notes. Y'all want to see my notes? These are my final exams today. I don't know, I'll be talking about a lot. Yeah, let me just scroll and click a random one. See, it'd be like random stuff. This is my best friend. She wrote this while I was sleeping my phone. But yeah, I think that's really it, y'all. I'm just trying to make sure that's everything. I got 1,030,000,000 tabs open. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was a lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be, but I appreciate you guys. Please, if you have any ideas for videos I can do in the future, please comment them down below. I'm super open to like all ideas. I just got my new camera, so I'm about to be pushing them out, you know? So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. I appreciate every single one of you, and just thank you for watching, because I know you got 30 other million things you could be doing right now, but I appreciate it. So thank you, and bye. I'm gonna miss y'all for real. Okay.